Hey everybody, this is Vincent Martone here at MarineMax in Clearwater, and today I'm going to be taking you through the 2020 Sea Ray 350 SLX outboard. This particular 350 SLX outboard is powered by twin 350s with joystick piloting. As you look back here on the transom, we have a nice pop-up seat, very comfortable. This one features stone interior. Follow me into the cockpit. We have the sure shade here. We're equipped with a grill, cockpit refrigerator. Now new for 2020 is the redesign. So we now have a cabin to port. You want to take a quick look inside there. Nice full cabin. You can sit 3 kids down there or 1 adult. Twin Simrad screens under 1 glass piece, with spacious bow seating up front. Windlass anchor. Again, this has been Vincent Martone at MarineMax in Clearwater. This is our all-new 2020 Sea Ray 350 SLX outboard. If you'd like to learn more about this boat or any of our other inventory that we have, please give me a call at area code 803-760-0609.